Charles.
And I'm Amanda
With
Quality Maintenance and Repair Service.
We are going to share with you what it is like to work with our company as a janitor. If you're thinking about applying for this job with our company, you will want to stick with us for this video. We'll have direct supervision. A supervisor will be working with you.
Their job is to enforce the rules and our quality standards. They will give you instructions and directions. They may send you back to correct some area of work. They will let you know when a rule is broken.
It's a fast-paced and janitorial service is all about too. Each building has a set amount of time to be clean. You will meet your requirement. You will have to move at a good pace. Once you get used to it, it's not bad. But you have to not quit while you are adjusting to the pace. There are rules. All jobs have rules. This one is no different.
Our supervisors and management will hold you accountable for following the rules. The rules are set in place to create a safe work environment, a professional image, to keep our clients happy, and to make sure that everyone stays focused on work.
You may be assigned to a route. Not every employee just cleans one building.
Some employees are assigned to a route where they clean several buildings in a shift. Employees assigned to routes meet at our office and drive a company van to each location. But employees on routes must be able to lift at least 25 pounds unassisted to load and unload equipment from the van.
You will clean differently than you clean at home.
Janitorial cleaning is not like cleaning your home. When you clean at home, you can clean how you want, at the pace you want. But when you're cleaning for our company, employees are expected to clean how we want and at our pace.
We have a strict attendance policy.
It's really important that employees show up when they are scheduled to work. In fact, for the first 90 days of employment, new hires can't take any days off.
No, they can't.
Miles and I hope that this video has given you an idea of what it might be like to work as a janitor for our company, Quality Maintenance. If you're interested in applying and joining our team, you can go to
qualitymaintenance.co.
And we look forward to getting your application. Bye.
Bye-bye.